MJB back with another snakehead fishing video with and without a net because I forgot the net. If you want to up your snakehead fishing game, try fishing without a net sometime. You'll start to understand how to handle these monsters. Anyway, hope you enjoy the video, and I'll talk to you next time. Oh my God. Oh, there it is. I don't have a net today. Buzzbait. Big red buzzbait. I was not expecting. Oh man. All right. There we are. Okay. So, oh, there it is. There's a snakehead over here. As soon as I lose the trail, I think I catch a fish. This is a little one. Just a little old shite. Some strategery up here. We got some kind of predator in these pads. There it is, 1, 2. Swimbait. Is that a bass? Looks like a bass. No, it isn't. It's a nice snake right there. Hyperplastics. Look at that. I don't know what they're feeding on over here, but it looks like they're feeding on some kind of shad or something. Just hooked up to a decent sized snakehead. I'm probably gonna measure it out. But as soon as I switched to a swim bait, I started catching. Before that, not so much. This is a decent size one. Get the money shot from the side. Was it 26 inches, probably? Yeah, a little over 26. Nothing wrong with that fish. Oh my God, this thing jumped out of the water 10 feet. I don't want you. Got your ass! That's how you get it done, son. Small one. You gotta be kidding me. I caught a perch on a... Oh, man. Perch. Man, these little guys are hitting me so hard that it feels like there's an actual decent fish hitting me. But it turns out it's just a really small perch. I don't have a net today. Going it, man. Look at that, count on a bass. Or swim bait. Catching nothing, all of a sudden, swim bait, and we got us a big bass. Pretty big guy. I'm not catching a lot, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this guy a measure. We'll measure him out all the time, but let's just see what we got here. 17 and a half. It's not huge, but it's not small either. Finally got a good cast and swim bait, another bass. It's a smaller one, but you gotta love these little bass. When you're not catching any snakeheads, I'll take a bass. There you are. Lobster. That's what you get when you don't have a net.
Yeah. New spot, new fish. Look at that. You gotta be kidding me, man. This little perch scared the living shit out of me. Oh, little bastard. Ah, that was a good one. Lost him. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, yeah. I don't have a net. Oh, this is a big one. It's a nice one, and I have no net. I got nothing. I got this. Down by a log. Oh my God. I don't know how I got this thing out, but I got it out. Before it smacks me in my face. I don't know how that hook is still there. It looks like the hook is actually in not bad condition. Oh. Sorry about that, man. I am exhausted. Holy cow, am I ever exhausted. Got blood all over me. Blood all over this fish. I'm gonna see how big this guy is. 28. 20. God damn. Back around. Yeah, man. Ha ha! Got yourself caught that time, buddy.